Did you know that more than 70% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings? This startling fact sheds light on a widespread financial crisis that affects people from all walks of life. The truth is, many of us find ourselves in a tough spot due to common financial mistakes that we often overlook. These mistakes, which range from impulsive spending to a lack of financial knowledge, can have a significant impact on our lives. In this video, we'll delve into the most common reasons why people struggle financially and provide practical tips to help you break free from the cycle of debt and achieve financial freedom. Common financial mistakes. One of the most common financial mistakes is living beyond your means, which means spending more money than you earn. When you consistently spend more than you make, you're essentially borrowing money from the future. This can lead to a cycle of debt, stress, and financial instability. Another common mistake is not saving enough money. It's crucial to have an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Additionally, saving for long-term goals like retirement is essential. By not saving, you're putting your financial future at risk. Carrying excessive debt, especially high-interest debt like credit card debt and student loans, can significantly impact your financial health. Interest payments can eat away at your income and make it difficult to achieve your financial goals. Impulse purchases are a common financial mistake, often derived by emotions or sudden desire. While it's perfectly fine to treat yourself occasionally, frequent impulse spending can quickly add up, leading to financial strain and potential regret. To avoid this, practice mindful spending by pausing before making unplanned purchases and considering their impact on your overall financial goals. Understanding your finances. A budget is a financial plan that helps you track your income and expenses. By creating a budget, you can gain a better understanding of where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. To create a realistic budget, begin by listing your monthly income and all your expenses, including fixed costs like rent or mortgage, utilities, and transportation, as well as variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once you have a clear picture, allocate your income to these categories, ensuring your spending aligns with your financial goals. Be mindful of areas where you might need to cut back or save more. Regularly reviewing your budget is essential to track your progress and make adjustments as needed, especially if your income or expenses change. This will help you stay in control of your finances. Tracking your expenses is essential for understanding your spending habits. This can be done using a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or a simple notebook. By tracking your expenses, you can identify areas where you're overspending and make informed decisions about where to cut back. Setting financial goals is a powerful way to stay motivated and focused on achieving your financial objectives. Short-term goals might include paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a vacation or major purchase. These goals help establish a solid financial foundation. Long-term goals, such as buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, require careful planning and consistent effort over time. By setting clear, specific financial goals, you can create a roadmap for success, track your progress, and make adjustments along the way. This strategy ensures you remain on course toward financial stability and future prosperity. Creating a financial plan. If you're carrying debt, it's important to have a plan for paying it off as quickly as possible. There are two main strategies for debt repayment: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, while the debt avalanche method involves paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first. Both methods have their advantages, so choose the one that you think will work best for you. Investing your money is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time, helping you achieve long-term financial goals. There are many different investment options to consider, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks represent ownership in a company, offering the potential for high returns, but also higher risk. Bonds are essentially loans to a company or government and tend to be more stable, providing lower but more consistent returns. Mutual funds are a diversified collection of investments, including both stocks and bonds, which can spread risk. When investing, it's crucial to assess your risk tolerance and time horizon to make informed decisions. Saving for retirement is essential to securing a comfortable lifestyle in your later years, and starting early can make a significant difference in your financial future. There are several retirement savings options available, such as 401k plans, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. A 401k plan is an employer-sponsored retirement plan that may offer matching contributions, helping you build your savings faster. IRAs and Roth IRAs, on the other hand, are individual retirement accounts that allow for more flexibility in managing your investments. The earlier you begin saving, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest, ensuring a more stable retirement. Avoiding common scams. Financial scams are becoming increasingly sophisticated, so it's important to be aware of common scams and how to recognize them. Some common scams include phishing scams, identity theft, and investment scams. Phishing scams involve sending fake emails or messages that appear to be from legitimate companies, often requesting personal information. Identity theft occurs when someone steals your personal information and uses it to commit fraud. Investment scams involve promising high returns with little or no risk. To safeguard your finances from scams, it's crucial to remain vigilant and take proactive measures to protect your personal information. Always be cautious when dealing with unsolicited offers, whether they come via phone, email, or social media. Scammers often use convincing tactics to lure you in, so it's essential to maintain a skeptical stance and never rush into sharing personal details. Take the time to thoroughly investigate the legitimacy of any offer, checking for red flags such as unrealistic promises or urgent deadlines. By staying cautious and informed, you can effectively shield yourself from potential fraud. Refrain from clicking on links or attachments in suspicious emails, as these could contain malicious software that compromises your security. Employ robust passwords that are difficult to guess and update them frequently. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication whenever feasible to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. Regularly scrutinize your bank and credit card statements for any unauthorized transactions, as early detection can prevent significant losses. It's also essential to shred documents containing sensitive information, such as bank statements or personal identification numbers, to thwart identity theft. Being vigilant with these practices will significantly reduce your vulnerability to financial scams and help safeguard your hard-earned money. Taking proactive steps now can protect you from potential fraud and ensure your financial well-being in the future. In this video, we've explored the common financial mistakes that can lead to financial hardship. We've also discussed the importance of understanding your finances, creating a financial plan, and avoiding common scams. By taking these steps, you can improve your financial situation and work towards achieving financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom requires discipline, knowledge, and a proactive approach. By avoiding common financial mistakes, understanding your finances, and creating a solid financial plan, you can break free from the cycle of debt and build a brighter future for yourself. Remember, small steps can lead to significant changes. Take control of your finances today and start your journey toward financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. Share this video with friends and family who may benefit from this information. Leave a comment and let us know your thoughts on financial freedom.